Keep it for the first, after the first meteor we use it, okay? Where's it going? Back to the same spot? The spot we love.
G-spot.
Yep. Watch the pet.
Same spot.
Mhm.
Get the macro out, please.
I do.
Oh, he's not reading, okay.
I have 4 macros.
Okay.
Back again.
Easy game.
Okay. Let's
Make
kill
it.
it and big focus, yeah? I don't want anybody dying in flame patch.
Make it count. Come on. Don't use any more cooldowns. Keep it for second phase. Perfect. No one in the middle. No ads.
Please click helps.
Slash dance.
And spread a little bit, so they don't get hit by flame patch.
Top to low people. Okay. Flame patch, move.
Bloodlust next time.
No, yeah, when he goes meteor, yeah, not yet.
After that bump, yeah.
Yeah. Flame patch, move.
Also? Nice. Okay.
He's on the right edge of it. Okay, he's going. Stack up on star. In the middle. Yeah.
And please go left.
Yeah, go left if you want.
Anywhere is fine.
Move out. When the boss is up, then pop your bloodlust and every cooldown.
No.
Ginch. Okay, pop it.
Oh, he got charged. But you can't avoid it.
Ah, you got a charge. Okay.
Somebody.
Top Akori, please. Yeah. Can we get him up somehow? Only Vanguard can get him up after the time king.
Okay, but
Flame patch.
Martial arrows, what?
Ginjet.
Stack.
Stack and also the things, my guys, yeah. Snakes.
Snakes. Move out.
That's a charge.
Missing Thunderclap.
Excel, you're good for now, yeah, with the ads?
Yeah,
Let's leave them for now. Maybe we don't even need to kill them, yeah? Let's see. DPS is pretty good,
Watch
so.
flame. Watch pet on flame touch.
I'm resident it.
Okay.
Stark.
After dive bomb.
Stack up again on start.
And snakes, please.
Snake traps again.
Don't touch the birds, please. Move out.
Okay. Charge on someone again. Okay, watch out.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, charge you this time. Oh,
Yeah.
always here.
That's okay. It's you can't over. You act if you are fast, you can taunt during the charge part. It's very hard.
Now you're important, the healers, you stay alive, guys. We finished the boss now, we're not gonna kill any ads.
The thing is, when he lands, I taunt immediately and then he charges. Like, if I don't taunt, he will attack somebody else.
Mm,
Stuck in the middle, please, so we can reach him from.
Yeah, let's just finish, to be honest.
Wait and finish.
weak wills on
We
exile.
can intervene church.
Get out of there and kill him. This time to a leather.
Someone heal
Leather.
Exile, I'm dead.
Big is on exile. Don't let him die. I'm finished. Well done.
Just finish.
That was something, yeah.
Very smooth. Job.
Well played.
Oh.